Hi guys, hope you're having a fabulous Monday. So it's 4 o'clock on Mondays when I do continue education, and today I really want to talk about Gua Sha because I have fallen in love with it. So the way that I start, I do it after I shower. So I shower whatever time. And then I do the full skincare because you want your skin to be slick. Like you want this gua sha to completely glide over it and not have any tugging. And so I start with a non-alcohol based toner. So I just spray. And then I take my hands and I go like this on my neck. I can see two people are here. Can y'all tell me hey so I can see who you are? I saw Selma Hayek talk about doing this when she does her skincare, and I've done it ever since. So like this is my thing. And then I do a tightening serum all over. I feel like that's self-explanatory. So I just lightly, and I've always been taught not to use the index finger because that's the finger that's like the toughest finger or whatever. So gently putting that tightening serum everywhere, and then I go back in and I do this thing right here. Because Salma said to, she's amazing. Then the next thing I do is Immortelle. Now, Immortelle is my favorite for scars, stretch marks, and wrinkles. And so I just roll it on my trouble area. So I do here, my 11s. This is my, I don't understand what you're saying. There they are. I made them come up. Okay. And I do here because I'm a side sleeper. And I kind of just tap that in here. I don't really rub it in there. I'm really funny about doing things around my eyes. And then I come back in here. And I put a little bit of everything on my hands. Just whatever's left before I move to the next thing. I do it a little bit on my hands. Then I have this magic thing for eyes. It's for anti-aging. And it rolls so there's no tugging. So you squeeze it and all the stuff comes out here. And then it just rolls. And I love it because you can tell when I do it, there's no pulling. And I'm super gentle with anything that has to do with my eyes. I've been told from a very young age, and it's stuck with me, whether it's true or not, but I believe that tugging and rubbing right there at your eyes is what stretches that out, and that's why they look saggy when people get a little bit older. And I do right here with this. Ooh, that's backwards for me. That looked weird. That freaked me out. And then I end with my moisturizer, and I do a drop of Yarrow Palm, and so that's gently everywhere. So I use these 3 fingers gently everywhere. So that's the warm up. Anyway, I do that every day. Gua Sha, I haven't actually read about this. I probably should have looked that up before. But I'm kind of doing it 3 times a week, maybe 4 times a week. So I probably should see how often that's recommended. And I am going to do a kind of an abbreviated version. So I'll put the YouTube link of the lady who I think does an amazing job of explaining this. In case you want to do like the extended version. So she does a couple of things that I'm not going to do. Also, I have done a test. So even if I have a wardrobe malfunction, we're all good. Like it's a good height. I have tested this height. So you do want this to be super slick. So like I talked about before, we don't want to drag across. We don't want to pull that skin. We want it just to be a glide across. And it wants to be not straight up and down. So we're not going to go across the face like this. We're going to come at it like that. You could already tell how much gentler that was just on my hand from that. So what I use, and of course you can use, anything you want that you feel like super slick, is I use the Yarrow Palm serum. So Yarrow Palm's amazing. It kind of tells the body, and I do use this, I have a capsule with this too, and it has vitamin C in it, and When you use these things together, it tells your body to make collagen. So everything's always better if your body is making it. And so when we give our bodies the proper nutrition, it wants to make those healthy things like collagen. So I also definitely recommend a probiotic for younger skin because it all comes to gut health. And I actually recommend getting an amazing multivitamin that's whole food. So your body's like, oh, I'm taking food, and that's soft packed. Our bodies don't know what to do with those hard vitamins. They just pass them whole. They can get stuck in the small and large intestine, and they're just showing up at the water department whole and still have the label on them. All right, so I just completely slathered yarrow palm on this so we could go on with Gua Sha. I promise it's safe. I promise. I checked the height. Okay. Don't be scared. So I'm gonna start with this long side. And honestly, with this, you can choose several of the sides so you can feel it and see what feels better. They have these on Amazon. If you are against Amazon, no judgments, then maybe Etsy. And so I'm just kind of gliding. Let me show the whole shoulder. I'm kind of just gliding. Here's where I make that turn up. And then right here, almost like a gentle massage. And I do everything 5 times. Now the lady in the video talks about this muscle right here. If we don't kind of massage it out, this muscle here causes the face to draw down. Ooh, so don't we want to massage that all the time for reals? Okay, so then there's probably about 3 sections to come into the middle, and I'm only going to do half, so then, you would do the other half on your own or replay it or whatever, or watch the lady that I'm going to play below. And each section, slow, 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 and you're always going to anchor if you feel that skin moving. And you're going to slow down if it feels like it's dragging. So you want it to be a glide. So just move in a little bit more. So this is going to be great for helping get all that amazing skincare, hopefully all natural, hopefully nothing that's causing cancer. Guys, let's try to prevent that. It's going to help really drive it in. And then it's also touching acupuncture points, which is going to help relieve tension. And it can also help smooth out. So, we have those creases, which is completely natural, like no judgment. We have those creases here. Going to kind of help smooth that out. So, 5 times each section, glide, anchor, slow down if you feel it drag. So now we're going to go to this. So I'm anchoring here, and we're going to go to the face and just kind of work our way up. And then when you get here, oh goodness, y'all, you're not going to believe how good this feels. So remember, it's 5, and I'm probably going to stop doing 5, but I'm going to keep saying 5. So then the next section, we're going to use this part. We're going to anchor here on the side. And then here we're really massaging that temple. If you're feeling it drag, you can come up a little bit higher, even kind of push on this nose. Remember, slow down if it's dragging, or find your place to anchor, and then do 5. In the video that I'm going to post under She Does Under the Eyes, I'm super funny about that. So I'm not currently doing that. I try it every once in a while and I'm still like, nope, not ready for that. So then after she does under the eye, she comes here and she does kind of 5 wiggles. Whoa, y'all are not gonna believe how good that feels. And then we're gonna do the brow bone with this. And so we're gonna anchor. And then yet again, when we get to that temple, kind of massage that temple. So anchor, glide, not drag. Get to your acupuncture or acupressure point, and then kind of massage. And then you can use either side, but I'm gonna go to this side and we're just gonna do our forehead. So we're gonna start here. Actually, we're gonna start at the bridge of the nose. Just gliding, so no dragging. I'm gonna do that again. Oh gosh, I'm gonna take a nap after this. So you'll be able to tell where you're holding stress because it'll feel so amazing. And so then you'll move over and then do 5. Anchor, glide, not drag, 5. Anchor, glide, not drag, 5. And then you would do the whole other side. Does this side look more relaxed than that side? Yo, it feels so good. All right, so I'm gonna post a couple of things. First of all, I was supposed to be doing healthy body video today, and which I kind of did, but I kind of was a rebel and did my own thing. So I am gonna post the healthy body video underneath here that I've done in the past. And I'm gonna post the lady that I learned Gua Sha. And I watched a bunch of YouTube videos before I settled on her, so I really like how she explains it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you watch this live, if you'd put a 1, if you watched a recording, if you would put a 2, or say hey to me. You know, Facebook is really funny about their algorithms, and it helps me know like when people are seeing things versus when I post them and things like that. So that would really help me out. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you later. Bye.